Well, hey, there's always tomorrow, right? A quest! Friend, I'm taking you on a quest. That's just the thing to make you feel better. Once I take you to the edge of death, you'll feel alive again. Come on, TV, it's questing time. Maybe we can take it down a notch. What tree? She said no one should ever come here. Well, let's set up camp. Why don't you catch us a fish from that creek we passed? Good job, Bait. Feel better yet?
Hey, Boombox, how come we never seen your real eyes? You always wear that visor over your eyes, and we won't judge if that's what you're worried about. Today, I'll make a small sling on the wall. So watch this. There's this old-out demon who dropped a purse, and I freaking went to grab it to give it back to them, yeah? But then they accused me and called me a thief. Def not awesome sauce, you get what I'm saying? After that, the old geezer start yapping left and right. Now the fuzz are after me. Skill issue, I know, and I'm bristled my way out of this one. Just I'm in trouble for real. You kinda helped me out, Sling.
Wow, satisfying video. Honestly, I'm so happy right now. I don't think anything can make me angry. I'm so happy right now. I don't think anything could make me angry. How about you stop fucking copying me? How about you shut the fuck up? You shut the fuck up, asshole. Yeah, fuck you, bitch. Fuck you.
No, I just figured I'd randomly stand here and see how many ponies would walk into me.
I said stop fighting! That's not what the holidays are about! No matter what you call them, or how you celebrate. Do you know how lucky you all are? With your stories about sharing and kindness and getting together with every creature that you care about? Blue Moon Festival. The one time of year when griffins are nice to each other. Well, as nice as we can be. No, because I don't have a family. Good! It doesn't belong in the tree's memorial anyway. And if you think this is great, just wait until you see the mystical cave of harmony.
Hey, Baymax, I didn't know you were still active. Oh, I just stubbed my toe a little. I'm fine. A zero? I'm okay, really. Thanks. You can shrink now. It's okay. No touching. I'm fine.
What? There's no way. The guy's too high profile.
I don't know. We don't know anything about him.
Baymax, you scanned him? Yes. I can use the data from your scan to find him.
No. I just have to look for another angle.
Got it. I'll scan the whole city at the same time. I just have to upgrade Baymax's sensor.
Actually, if we're gonna catch this guy, I need to upgrade all of you.
Oh, can I come? Or, Hey, Ju! Wanna... Boop. Great. What is this, huh? Hello? You left your trash? No, super strength? Not invincible. I don't fly. Not invisible! Nobody would ever follow me all the way out here! Hey, 3! Do you want to see something cool? Wait, what? I didn't even say! Oh, wait! Come back here! That's my video! Oh,
I know him. That can't be. That's that little guy who spoke to me all those years ago. What was it? 85. That poor man, they're going to eat him alive. Oceans rise, empires fall. Next to Washington, they all look small. All alone, watch them run. They will tear each other into pieces. Jesus Christ, this will be fun. Da 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 da. President John Adams. Good luck.
I'd just like to say that if I were a member of an alien race, which I'm not, I'd have to take this opportunity to say, filthy Earth creatures! It is clear who the superior species is! Isn't it? Isn't it? You stink! Silence! Whatever this is, I will find the beast who threw it. I will find you! Nonsense! Despite his huge head, the Dib Monkey is quite stupid. Now prepare your brain, filthy beast of meat and hair. You're nothing, Earth Boy. You're ugly when you lie, Dib! Then why are you ugly? What?
How do you keep your pants up when you're performing? It's incredible. We have right for you, Little Uzi, a Rob Zombie poster. Here we are at Neptune Records, waiting for Tyler, the Creator. Igor on vinyl. Let's escort you downstairs to the private room. Where did you come from? Your hotel, sleeping, the back room. Have you been to a lot of back rooms, Tyler? Welcome to Van Dusen Garden in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. Come on over. So here we are in Vancouver, Van Dusen Gardens. You chose this location, didn't you, Tyler?